The Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA, has softened its stance on students in sixth form competing in sports. Jeremy Brown has our report.
The amendment comes in response to the Ministry of Education's stipulation that all public secondary schools are now required to implement a grade 12 and grade 13 program starting this academic year, beginning in September. In a release to schools, ISSA says, quote, students wishing to continue their studies in grade 12 of the school in which they completed grade 11 at the end of the previous school year may participate in ISSA competitions once they meet ISSA's minimum academic and attendance eligibility criteria. The ISSA eligibility rule states that students must have passed at least 4 subjects internally with an average of 45% and achieve 80% attendance in the term just before the competition. It means that students will not be required to produce external results to enter grade 12 and 13 once they remain at the school where they completed the previous school year. However, students who are changing schools for sixth form must satisfy ISSA's criteria for eligibility. That means those students are still required to pass at least 4 subjects in CSEC or accredited other school leaving exams.